Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unboxing for you. I was actually planning on doing a face mask review and first impression, but it arrived. So let's just open it up. Again, I have not been spoiled. Like, I don't even visit the LookFantastic page at all. So I have no idea what's in here. Will I ever be able to rip them in one go? Probably not. Apricot, I would say, I'm not really sure. And then the inside says, there's a leaflet in. Okay, like sometimes they have like the little booklet here and sometimes they don't, so it's just always very strange. So on the inside it says, you are loved, you are worthy, you are magical. It even says BB on here. Oh, beauty box, okay. And the inside, hold on. I cannot remove the sticker without ripping tissue paper. Oh my god, I just did. Okay, so I can see that the inside is like lavender, like a pastel purple, but I can't really see much else. Oh, okay. Oh, what? Strawberry? What? Okay. Focus. Okay, contenance. I'm gonna start with this. The Magnetone London Wipeout Swipes Eco-Friendly Microfiber Makeup Removal Pads. That was rough. Oh my god, they are so cute! Oh my god! Guys, look at them. Oh my god. Oh, they're so cute. Oh, they're so handy to take on vacation with you because obviously it's like a quarter of a microfiber towel. Oh my god, this is so nice. Oh, I would definitely use these. Oh, beautiful. I love this. 2 microfiber cleansing pads that remove even the toughest of makeup with just warm water. Super soft and ideal for sensitive skin as no cleanser is needed. Simply throw into the washing machine after use to reuse thousands of times. That means no more disposable makeup remover wipes going to landfill. Love it. I love it. Oh my god, I totally love this. And yes, it is actually true. Like, just in case you're doubting this, I have a bunch of microfiber towels. I got them 2 years ago for Christmas. They remove everything, all the makeup, with just water. And then when you're done using them, I mean, I don't wash them as often as I should. You know, I don't use them once and then put them into the washing machine. I use them a few times. I wash them out with soap. Anyways, but yeah, like they said, you can reuse them over and over and over again. That's so nice. I need like reusable pads for like a toner and, you know, other things that you can put on micellar water or something. I wonder if that works as well. I'll try it out. Okay, I have to go with the strawberry one. I saw this, I was like, oh my god, what is this? So this is by Bubble Tea, Strawberry Macaron, Hand and Body Butter. Oh my god. Soothe and nourish with this uplifting hand and body butter. Oh my god. It's cruelty-free. It's suitable for vegans. I have to smell this. I'm sorry. I have to. Also, it looks very cute. I'm sorry, but it's cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's so good. So excited. Oh my god. It's a body butter as well. Like, not only for your hands, but oh my god, imagine. Oh my god. A thick hydrating moisturizer for your body with delectable strawberry scent. Treat, soothe and refresh dry skin, cruelty-free and parabens-free. I'm so excited for this. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited for that. Oh my god. Oh, the joy I have. Okay, so go with this DC Madara SOS Hydra Recharge Cream. An intense moisture locking cream infused with age-defying antioxidants and hyaluronic acid. Sealed. I always have to smell my skincare. And I had like a L'Oreal serum. I was so strong, like it really burned my face. So I'm not overly sensitive to scent, but sometimes it's not working well with me. Obviously I have no idea what this smells like. Okay, where? Okay, it is. Oh, so you either get this one or you get the Elemis, Papaya and Simple, which I had before, I think. So this is a replenishing, moisture-locking face cream packed with age-defying antioxidants to treat dehydrated, stressed skin. Provides a protective layer between the environment and your complexion, whilst also promoting intense hydration and reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Suitable for all age groups and skin types. I'm sorry, I just have to keep on smelling that body lotion. So this will come in handy. I have 2 face creams left. I will use this soon. This is screaming for me. I don't know why. We had something similar to this. Okay, so this is the Ilamasca Beyond Veil Skin Glowing Gel. I think we had this one. Yeah, we had this one before. No, we didn't. Because this is golden. I mean, first off, it smells... Okay, I just lost it. It smells amazing. And then also gives you... Oh, but you probably can't see, but it gives you a nice shine. Or a glowy skin, let's just say that. Both smells very good. This smells like high-end skincare. But the other one just smells... good. I mean, this also smells good, obviously, but you know what I mean. Combining two of Illamasqua's hero products, the Hydra Prime and the Beyond Powder. Ooh, this face primer is hydrating and illuminating all in one. Apply on the makeup to help it last all day, whilst also providing a luminous, natural-looking glow. I mean, I can't really see the glow right now anymore, but I would definitely try that because I have one. I wanted one in the giveaway. It's also like a highlighting drops, whatever primer thing. And I used it in a video. I don't remember which video it was. It is nice, but it's a bit too dark for me, and I feel like it just makes me look a bit weird. Now, it's working great because I use a BB cream or a foundation. It's not really a foundation, but you know what I mean. That's a bit too light, so it works. It balances it out, if you know what I mean. So I'd rather have something like this that's more like my skin tone and more universal. So I will definitely try that one. What the hell is this? A lip gloss? Oh, I have lip. Anyways, I will remove it. So this is the Ico Galactic Lip Gloss. Oh, lit gloss, not lip gloss, lit gloss. Cream eyeshadow, Shimmer and Shine Zodiac. Should I try to run out one now? Do I still have time? I still have time. Oh, I will try it out. Okay, I thought it was like a brush tip. It's not. You have to squeeze it out. Also, the trash has been picked up outside, so you can. Are you kidding me? Are you actually kidding me right now? Do you see this? Oh my god, I have to try this out. Hold on. I even brought a mirror. And of course, I have it on the back of my hand, and it's drying a little already. But oh my god. I'm just tapping it on. Oh my god. I mean, yes. I feel like this is one of those products where you have to apply it and then not touch again. Because it's a little, like, the more you touch it, the more it separates. And the more it looks, the more patchy it looks. I love this. I mean, can you see how patchy it is? It's because I went over it too many times. And I also applied it very quickly. So if I would take time and actually try to blend it in and make it look good, it wouldn't look like this. This is amazing. Actually looks very nice. I mean, it's another eyeshadow in my collection. I don't even have an explanation for that. I'm working on it. But it's another eyeshadow in my collection. Okay. Oh, so either get this in Zodiac or you get the Stardust one, which is like a grey. Oh, it says Shimmering Silver. Shimmering Silver. A liquid eyeshadow to take your makeup look to the next level. Mess-free and quick to apply with a glitter finish which allows you to take your makeup from day to night. I mean, on one hand, I want a big sample, but I love how small this is. And trust me, you don't need a lot for one eyelid. So I feel like it's perfect for vacation, it's perfect to just throw in your purse, and if we can ever go out again, clubbing and partying, or just to a restaurant and have a drink, just put this on top of your eyes or your eyeshadow and you're good to go. I'm really having this, and I can still smell the body lotion. Oh my god, it's so nice. The last product in here is by Balance Me, the AHA Glow Mask, or AHA Glow Mask. A triple action chemical exfoliation mask with a skin brightening fruit essence to deeply purify, plump, and reveal a natural, more youthful, luminous glow in less than 15 minutes. Okay, so I will do a video on this as well. Look at me trying to use up all my face masks and I get new ones. Anyway, I'm not complaining, I love it. Oh god, I have to read all this again. A chemical facial exfoliant to brighten, purify, and plump your complexion. Its blend of AHAs encourages the shedding of any dry or dull skin to reveal a natural, youthful, and luminous glow beneath. Suitable for all skin types, but particularly beneficial for blemish-prone skin. I hope it's not one of those like intense peels where you have huge chunks of skin coming off. That would be terrifying. Okay, so that was it. I'm actually very excited for all of this. Oh my god, like, I'm excited for all of it, literally. I think it has been a while since I've been excited for everything. I mean, these. I'm so excited. This is a perfect primer, I hope. You know what, I'm gonna use this as a hand cream, not even as body lotion, because I feel like it's just too nice to use on my body. I just want it on my hands and then have my, anyways. This is also very nice. Like, I love all of it. I mean, I cannot say if I love all of it. I like all of it, and I hope I will love it. Okay, so the leaflet here. Editor's note. May you welcome every effort, every struggle, and every challenge. Okay, so then we have what's in the box. A nice flat lay. Moringa. What that is. I had trouble reading this now. I read Morning A, and I was like, maskne. Ooh. I can't be the only one who gets maskne. Like, so basically acne or pimples, breakouts from wearing a mask all the time. I mean, wash your hands and face to avoid bacteria growth underneath. Always remove your makeup thoroughly. Wash your mask regularly. Of course, yeah, that's what we do. Behind the treasure. Okay, so why did I pick the color peach for the box? 10 books to help you feel inspired. Oh, this, please do not get this book. You are badass. Please do not get this book. I read that and it's horrible. Horrible. Do not get this book. The rest actually looks kind of fine. I have to put it into a book club. What's coming up? Oh my god. Next month we have a Christoph Robin mask. It's going to be very high end, I can already tell. And then they also have a Valentine's collection. And they have a Mother's Day collection. So that was it. That was everything that was in the box. And don't forget I have a coupon code or like a £5 off code in my info box. If you want to use it, you can. You don't have to. But yeah, I'm very, very excited about this box. It makes me very happy. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel already. And see you next one.